This guide provides a clear path for creating a hosted code tool inside Langtail. Tools feature allows you to integrate external functions or APIs into your language model's workflow. This powerful capability enables you to create more sophisticated and context-aware applications by leveraging external data sources or services. With hosted code, you can test your tools right inside Langtail by directly calling external APIs. In your prompt, let's navigate to the Tools section and click on it. Select one of your already created tools or create a new one. In the tool editor, enable the hosted code by switching the toggle on. Now you can either write your own custom code or try to generate it via our magic button. Let's use the magic button for this example. Provide a description of your code. After you are done, hit generate. Check if the code looks good to you. You can even try to run it by hitting the play button in the top right corner. After you are done with your review, hit save, and now you can use your hosted code tool in your prompts or assistants. In this guide, you learned how to navigate through Langtail to create a hosted code tool for generating weather recommendations.